In this video, I will show you how to share health data in Apple Health. Open the Apple Health app on your iPhone. From the home screen, tap on Sharing at the bottom of the screen. Here you will see a few options. You can share your health data with someone you trust. You can ask a family member or friend to share their data with you, or even share directly with your doctor. Before you do this, make sure that Health in iCloud is turned on, so your data stays updated across your devices. Now, tap on Share with Someone. Select a contact from your list and then tap on Setup manually. From here, you will choose what you want to share, like important health alerts or specific health topics such as activity, heart rate, or sleep. Once you're ready, tap Share, and that person will now be able to see the health data you've chosen. This is a great way to keep loved ones updated about your health or to give your doctor a clearer picture of your overall well being. And that's how to share health data in Apple Health.